The IST was established in 1942 to support the war efforts. Since then, we've been supporting organisations from all over the world to help design safer, more reliable and effective springs. We do this in a variety of ways. We have our software, Spring Calculator Professional, training, consultancy and testing, which also includes failure investigation.
SCP allows you to both calculate all the outputs you might think of from a spring, but we also have a range of powerful tools to allow you to optimize the spring to come up with the perfect solution for your needs. What our customers love about SCP is the vast range of material data we have. Over many years, we've tested a huge number of springs in our labs here in Sheffield to gather the fatigue life cycle data and relaxation predictions you might need to prove the life of your spring under demanding conditions. We have a commercial test lab here at our facilities in Sheffield, where we can test any type of spring to come up with independent verification of your spring's performance. These tests range from load or torque measurements through fatigue life cycle testing, relaxation testing, and a whole range of metallurgical checks. We can measure anything from tiny springs up to 100 kilonewtons in force. We can torque test up to 100 newton meters. Our fatigue testing equipment can go up to a load of 40 kilonewtons, and we can test up to 3000 RPM. Where we differ from other labs is in terms of understanding how the spring works. We're at the very heart of the spring industry, and we understand exactly what's going on, so we can see why the spring is failing, which aspects are important, and give recommendations on how to avoid this in the future. A typical investigation involves a visual examination, sectioning to look at the material, checking its surface quality, looking for surface defects, examining the microstructure, surface hardness, as well as a more in-depth look under the scanning electron microscope to really home in on the initiation point of the failure. At the end of the investigation, we provide a comprehensive report summarising all of our findings, along with the recommendations to help prevent this happening again in the future.
Consultancy is a totally personalised service. We use our dedicated resources in-house to support organisations with any spring-related issue they may have.
We deliver a variety of training courses covering all aspects of spring technology. The most popular one of these is Practical Spring Design, which teaches you both the theory and gives you practical advice that you need in order to come up with spring designs. Our standard course is delivered online twice a year, but we can also travel anywhere in the world to deliver training at your premises. We also have a range of e-learning courses that you can use to learn the material at your own pace whenever or wherever you need to.
We have a global network of over 250 organisations from all over the world. These organisations consist of spring manufacturers, spring material suppliers and end users. There are many reasons as to why organisations become members of the IST. One in particular, access to our technical help desk and access to a vast range of technical resources. So contact us and see how we can help support you with your goals.